Okay, so let's see here. Looks like I have Matt asking, when you have geometrically identical subweldments, can the cut list combine them automatically? The answer to that question is yes. You could actually create a subweldment that compiles or that has two separate subweldments inside of it. So we can absolutely do that. So let me jump over here really quick and show you. If I come in here, notice that we do have a cut list item, and if I pop that open, notice that it has just a subweldment inside of it. So we should actually be able to take this and drag it and drop it into that. If not, again, we have the ability to take these two subweldments. Oh, got a control click, not a shift click. Right click and say create subweldment. So notice that our subweldment right here, if I pop this open, has the two identical subweldments inside of it. So again, that's very easy. You just right click on them and tell them that you want them to be merged.